Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the mysterious Grimkin role in Heartopia hide and seek party. Okay, as soon as you get the role guys, as the mysterious Grimkin, you need to hide and you will be in a hide mode, and make sure that you don't get catched by the investigative journalist. Okay, and you will be a furniture guys. Now I'm a stained glass lamp and I need to find a place to hide so I don't get captured by them. And you can monitor your Grimkin connection right here. And if you become a Grimkin, you need to pop a bubble. You need to pop the Scenic bubble. Oh, I got captured. It's too obvious. And you can re-roll right here if you want, but you only have one chance to re-roll. Okay, and if you have the mysterious Grimkin roll, you need to pop the bubble as I told you before. So we need to find the bubble. Okay guys, the bubble is here. Okay, just pop the bubble like this. Successfully popped a Scenic bubbles. You need to pop the bubble as many as you can so you will be the winner. Your chance to be the winner will be higher when you pop the bubble like this. But be careful guys, because they can detect you. So try to hide so you won't get captured by the investigative journalist. Okay guys, and that's how you can be, or that's how you can do the mysterious Grimkin role in Heartopia hide and seek party. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.